Okay, this is part 2 of setting up your website. By now you'll already have created your folders out in Windows, and now you need to set up the environment within Dreamweaver so that it knows where your site is. And if you do this properly, you will have only your files staying only in your website folder. Because the danger, if you don't do this, is that you can have files all through your computer and it looks like it works, but if you don't get them all in the one folder, when you go to publish it and go live, there'll be some files that will be left behind, so that when it gets out onto the net, onto the internet and live, there'll be things that break. The hyperlinks will break. This is a very, very important step to set up your environment within Dreamweaver so it knows where your site is. And the trick is with our school is that every weekend our system resets this, so you'll have to just get used to every Monday or every time you go in the beginning of the week into Dreamweaver that you're going to have to set this up. It's just what you have to do, and you'll be able to tell if over here on the right hand side it has My Documents or Desktop. If it shows Desktop, you'll know that you're not in your website and you need to set up the website environment. Right now I have a website set up for Echo Style, and in this case I've got it out on my D drive, which is my hard disk on my computer. Yours will be different in the school. You will be looking at your home drive. The first thing you need to do is go up into here, and this is the site files where you set up the site. Click on that, drop it down, create a new site, and this is where you'll put in the name of your site. I suggest you use the same name that you used on the folder we created just in the part 1 of these videos. So here you can put in whatever is your site name. So if you're doing a site for a business that does car repairs, you call it car repairs. Whatever it is that will help you identify the name of your site. Then you're going to browse to where this is, and here I have it here under that's the name of my site. You will go and find the folder that you just created in the previous video, and you'll navigate to that. It doesn't matter, I've got it already set up, so it looks a bit weird for mine, but that's what you'll need to do. Select, and I'm just going to call this Echo Style 1, and it'll be happy now because I've got one set up already, and it says I've already chosen one. And over here, if you look over here, it's recreating it. I have a lot of files in there. It's a training system, and here it is regenerating, figuring out all the files that are there, and very soon I'll see it populating the files that are in my website over here. Now here I can see it here. There's my name of the site I've just created, and in here all the different exercise files. Now you will have those 3 folders that we created in the last video, which was images, text, and PNGs, PSDs. You may have called them different folders, but you should see just 3 folders and the name of your file, your folder for your website. And that is exactly what you need to do. You'll have to check every time you come into Dreamweaver that you're in this environment. If you don't, you could be at a risk of having your files all over the place. Make sure you do it like this. When you've got it set up and you're happy with it, then I need you to look at the next video, part 3.